sin má cardja, Gael.
Oh, we stand upon the shoulders of the druids and the bards, of the witches and the healers, once spread out wide and fair. We've been too long in the gutter, oppressed by foreign hands, subdued and trapped in victimhood, held hostage on our land. But there's an whole new dawn arising, a departure from the norm. The dust is kicking up from the shackles we do storm. So with one eye on the Telkey and the other one on the path, we'll set this ancient code a humming, and we'll start the church to last. We're the future pagans. Get down with the future pagans.